everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to use is and are. But the first question is, what is and are? So is and are is also called as linking verb. So what is a linking verb? Linking verb is a verb which connects the subject of a sentence with a word that gives information about the subject. So let me reiterate this. Is and are को हम लोग लिंकिंग वर्ब भी कहते हैं. लिंकिंग वर्ब, लिंकिंग माने जोड़ना. और ये क्या जोड़ते हैं? ये एक सेंटेंस में एक सब्जेक्ट को उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन से जोड़ते हैं. सो देयर आर many types of linking verbs like am, is, are, was, were, been, and, be, have, has, had, do, does, did, will, would, shall, and should. And there are many more. But in this class, we are going to learn about how to use is and are. So let's start. So is used when we are talking about one person, one animal, and one thing. is को हम तब यूज करते हैं जब हम किसी एक इंसान के बारे में बात करते हैं, एक एनिमल के बारे में बात करते हैं, या किसी भी एक थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं. सो लेट मी टेल यू अगेन, यहाँ पे नंबर कितना है? 1. हम सिर्फ इन तीनों के बारे में, लेकिन सिर्फ एक के बारे में बात करते हैं. एंड हम आर कब यूज करते हैं? वी यूज आर व्हेन देयर आर many subjects like people. Now we are not talking about a person. हम एक आदमी के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे हम बहुत सारे आदमियों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो जब बहुत सारे होते हैं तो वहां पे कौन सा लिंकिंग वर्ब यूज करते हैं? are. If there are many animals, we are going to use are. If there are going to be many things, then we are going to use are. So now let's see how we are going to use is and are in a sentence. अब मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कि सेंटेंस में is and are हम कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं. अब पहली लाइन में देखिए आपको कितने बैग्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं. There is 1 bag. And second line में how many bags do we have? 3. So is used when there is a single thing. And are is used when there are many things, right? So this is a bag. These are bags. This is a bag. These are bags. Let's see something else. Now we have 1 cat on the top and then we have 3 cats in the last sentence. So first sentence mein what will we have? We will have is. This is a cat. And say last line mein, since we have 3 cats, so we are not going to use is here. What are we going to use? Yes, are. These are cats. These are cats. Now let's see something else. So now this is a mug, and mug is not an animal, mug is not a person, it is a thing. So this is a mug because we only have 1 mug in the first line. And these are mugs because we have more than 1 mug. How many mugs do we have here? We have 3. So that is why we are using are. These are mugs. जब कभी हम किसी एक चीज के बारे में भी बात करते हैं तो हम लगाते हैं is. There is a book. See, there is 1 book, right? And second line में देखिए there are 6 books, right? So there are books. So जब हमारे पास एक से ज्यादा चीजें होती हैं तो उनके लिए हम are लगाते हैं. लेकिन अगर हमारे पास एक ही चीज होती है तो हम उसके लिए is लगाते हैं. Let's see one more example. यहाँ पे एक ही लड़की है फर्स्ट लाइन में जो बहुत खुश है. तो how are we going to speak it? She is happy. Right? But second line में देखिए there are 3 children, right? 2 girls and 1 boy. And all of them are very happy. But they are more than 1, right? So what are we going to say? They are happy. They are happy. Let's see one more example. It is a book. It is blue in color. So is a linking verb. ये हमें उसके रिलेशनशिप के बारे में, उसकी कंडीशन के बारे में बता रहा है. कंडीशन क्या है यहाँ पे? कलर. What is the color of the book? It is blue in color. So it is a book. It is blue in color. This is a boy and he is running very fast. So is जो हमारा linking word है, ये हमें बता रहा है कि it is a boy and it is only one boy. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे boys नहीं हैं, right? So that is why we have used is. We are not using are here. So this is a boy. And what is the action verb here? Action verb is running very fast. So he is running very fast. Thanks for watching.